I am Edis Vervac, and I am a product specialist in fall protection, specifically in fixed fall protection. Fixed fall protection refers to the anchor points or lifelines to which a user performing work at heights can attach themselves. Currently, there is still a guideline that requires fall protection to be implemented from heights of more than 2 meters, but we are increasingly moving towards a mentality where any fall hazard must be addressed without assigning a specific height requirement in order to protect your personnel, whether they are external or internal employees, from falls. Ideally, every building should be industrial or have the necessary fall protection measures for expected work on the roof. There are always activities such as cleaning the gutters, maintaining industrial installations located on the roof, and air conditioning units, where a person is at risk of falling at the roof edge. We initially look at solving this with a collective solution. By collective, we mean the entire system implemented in the railing. This way, everyone who comes onto the roof is automatically protected without having to think about it further. If for some reason the customer does not retain a collective solution, we move on to individual solutions. This includes anchor points and lifelines that follow the contours of the roof, where the person must then connect safely and securely using a harness and a connecting line. Thanks to our extensive and trusted relationships with various and reliable suppliers, we have access to the right product for your problem. And we have approximately over 25 years of experience in successfully and efficiently installing these systems. And we work with our own personnel who have been trained by our various suppliers